Stop scrolling right now, right here, right now, because this is the moment your life starts changing forever. Today, we're talking about something that separates success from failure: mindset. If you're tired of making resolutions that fade away by February, if you're ready to create habits that actually stick and last, then buckle up, because this video is your roadmap to a transformative year with OLP 365. Hit that subscribe button because this channel isn't just about inspiration, it's about results. So let's break it down. What is mindset really? Your mindset isn't just about positive thinking, it's the story you tell yourself about your potential, your challenges, and your success. A fixed mindset says, I can't do this. A growth mindset says, I can't do this yet. That one word, yet, changes everything. When it comes to creating habits, your mindset is either the engine that drives you forward or the brakes that hold you back. Your mindset is your superpower. All right, here are 3 mindset shifts that will change everything for you starting today. Shift number 1, focus on progress, not perfection. Stop chasing perfection. It's a trap that holds you back. Focus on showing up, even if it's messy, even if it's small. Progress over perfection every single time without fail. Shift number 2, challenges are growth opportunities. When challenges hit, don't say, why me? Say, try me, because every challenge is a chance to grow and improve. Shift number 3, visualize your future self. Close your eyes and see your future self clearly. What habits do they have? What routines do they follow? What choices do they make? How do they act daily? Then ask yourself, what can I do today to become that person? See it, be it, live it. 3. Why OLP 365 is your roadmap. At Optimum Living today, OLP 365 isn't just a program, it's a lifestyle blueprint. Every month, we focus on one key area: health, personal finance, relationships, and more. 1 month, 1 theme, 4 simple weekly lessons. And every week, you grow. OLP 365 is your guide, your roadmap, and your reminder that transformation isn't an overnight miracle. It's a daily commitment. All right, here's your mission. 1, hit that like button. Don't leave without it. 2, share this video with 5 people who need to hear this message. And most importantly, subscribe to Optimum Living today for weekly tools, strategies, and motivation to create your best life, your time, your life. And it all starts with your mindset. I'll see you next week. Until then, keep living optimally.